Here's your tutorial on how to tell sine from cosine, especially when you are dealing with components of vectors. Thinking about it, think about a human eye. A human eye has a pupil through which you see. It has a bottom lid to which you bring your upper lid to close your eye. So see and close. See starts with S, close starts with C. S for sine, C for cosine. And the upper lid is going to be your hypotenuse. The corner of your eye is going to be the angle in a triangle. For example, if I look at this triangle here, my upper lid is my vector A, and then the side through which I see, which is here, is across from the corner of my eye, so I will see through here, and therefore I'm going to use sine. And then if I were to close my eye, I would do it this way. So this side, my bottom lid, is cosine. I would multiply this times cosine of this angle. So one more time, this side is where your pupil is. You see through it, therefore you will use sine. This side is your bottom lid, to which you close your eye. Therefore, you're going to use cosine for this side. Now, if you were to see a triangle that is rotated like this, nothing would change. This is still your upper lid. Your hypotenuse is the longer lid, just like in your eye. This is your upper lid, this is your bottom lid, and this is the side through which you see. Now, you will notice that this shows minus. You know, in the triangle, we would never say that a side is negative, but this is a vector. A vector can have a negative component. So anything that points left or down, you can think west or south. If it's pointing to the left or west, you're going to have a negative, just like if you were to look at coordinate system. The quadrant, remember, if we have x and y, this is x actually, so this is our positive quadrant. So a vector that is pointing northeast will have everything positive. A vector that has west in it will be over here, so it's northwest. Then west is the horizontal. It's going to have a negative x and positive y. The third quadrant is where we have everything negative. It's west-south, southwest. So everything will be negative because it will be down and left. And then the fourth quadrant, that's where we have southeast or east of south. Again, upper lid is your hypotenuse right here, upper lid. If you are finding the side that is across from the corner of your eye, that's where your pupil is. You see sine. Where you close your eye, then that is where you're going to have your cosine.